Do you like to have your own cameraman that follows you if you move and also acts as an AI smart sports gimbal that follows the action? So this is what the XBOTGO AI Cameraman Smart Gimbal does. And in this video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about this smart gimbal. Before telling you what comes in its box, and as a full disclosure, I wanted to let you know that XBOTGO reached out to me and sent me this XBOTGO AI Cameraman free sample to review it. But the opinions you're gonna see in this video are only mine. No one interfered in the content of the video, and I wasn't compensated to make it. So that being said, let's now open the box and see what comes in the box. Let's open the box. So this is everything you get in the box. You have, of course, the smart gimbal, a user manual, a carrying pouch, a small tripod, a remote control, USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the gimbal, and this strap. So before first use, you need to charge it. So this is USB-C cable connected to a 5-volt adapter. Just put it here, and when the gimbal starts charging, this is the battery level indicator. So now it's charged at 75%. As you see, this is the blue light here. And you should charge it fully before first use. While the gimbal is charging, I want to put this small tripod that comes with the gimbal. So this is a 1/4-inch thread that you can use with any conventional tripod. So it comes with this small one, which is really very good. So this one opens like this, and you can put the gimbal to use it like this. So now let me show you how to install the telephone in the gimbal. So you need first to unlock it. So you unlock it like this. And this is where you should install the phone. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the camera of the iPhone, and this is where it should go. So you should put the phone with the camera in the direction of this arrow here. Just slide it in like this and put it exactly in the middle. Now I want to show you the basic functions of this gimbal. So this is the front of the gimbal, and it should be facing the action. And this is the back of the gimbal. To turn on the gimbal, press and hold the power on button for 1 second. And the gimbal emits a sound, and it turns on like this. And it puts the phone directly into vertical position. Now, if you want to put it into landscape mode, you need to press it shortly here. And here it is in landscape mode. Now, this is a joystick for the gimbal. So you can adjust the phone's angle with the joystick. So if I push it down like this, the phone goes down, and if I push it up, the phone goes up, and left and right is the same thing. Let me show you now the different modes of this gimbal. So on default, when you turn it on, it is on HF, which is horizontal follow. So it means that if you move the gimbal like this, you can shoot horizontally, but vertically it stays stable. And if you press the mode once again, it will go to lock full. It means that whatever you do with the gimbal, the phone stays locked in place. And another press, it goes to first person view, which is FPV. So in this mode, the phone moves a little bit, but the gimbal smoothes out the action of the phone. And one other press, it goes to AF, and AF, it's like the first person view also. So it smoothes out also the gimbal's movement. Now let's say, for instance, if you put it in lock full and the gimbal reaches its limit. So let's say here it reaches its limit. So the phone gets stuck on the top. To put it back in the center, just double press the small button and it will go back to the center. Let me also show you another button in this gimbal that is important. So this button here, it is the start shooting and stop shooting button. So if you press it like this, notice how the camera will start photographing. So this is the video started, and one other press, it will stop. And of course, the gimbal should be connected to the phone with the application. So now I'm going to show you how to install the application and how to connect it to your gimbal. So here I have an iPhone. So open your app store and then search for XBOTGO. And here's the application. It's called, of course, XBOTGO. So install it. When it is installed, open it. And you need to give it permissions for everything. So I'm gonna tap allow on everything here. And this is here like the main screen, it's a tutorial. So I'm gonna tap on skip on it. And I'm gonna tap once again. And now we need to pair the gimbal with your phone. So make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on, and then turn on the gimbal. And you see that the application discovered it automatically. So just tap on click to connect. and now it is connected to the gimbal. When you want to use the gimbal for the sports recording, you need to tap on this icon here. And here you have all the sports that are supported. So you have soccer, basketball, power soccer, football, lacrosse, ice hockey, and follow me. So all you have to do here is choose a mode. So for instance, I'm gonna choose the soccer here. And when you choose soccer, tap on next, and it will give you some options that you need to select. So is it like a small team or a medium team or a full team, which is 11 versus 11? And also it will tell you to choose the age group. So either it is over 14 or under 14. And when you do this, all you have to do is to tap on start recording. Of course, the phone should be on the gimbal, and I'll be doing a demo on this a little bit later. So let's go back now to show you the other options of the application. So when you go back to the main menu, you have here something called local files. So if you tap on it, you have all the videos that you recorded. And if you tap on manage on the top and you select the video, you can download it, for instance, to your phone's library, and you can share it and you can delete it. So if I want to download it to my phone's library, you need to give it permission to your phone's library. So here I gave it permission earlier, and now it is saved in my photos library on my iPhone. So now I want to show you the follow me mode. I'm gonna start the application, and XBOTGO says that it's better to film in landscape mode. So I'm gonna put it in landscape mode, and then I'm gonna tap on this icon here, and then I'm gonna choose follow me, and then next, and tap on next once again. And here it's telling you how you can activate it by raising your hand. I'm going to show you all this, and tap next again. So here I need to put it in 1080p. So I'm going to see the resolution. So the resolution is at 720. I'm going to choose 1080p. It's better. And now I'm going to step in front of the camera and start the recording. So this is how you start the recording. You raise your hand like this. So here it is, starting recording, and it follows me, as you see. So it is really very good in this sense. Even if I go down, if I go up also, it will follow my face, and it will keep me in the center always. And when you want to stop the recording, also you raise your hand like this, and it will stop the recording. So here I'm playing soccer with my kid, and I put the application to record soccer at 5 versus 5 and under 14 years old. And you see that the gimbal is doing a good job by following the action. It rarely missed the action, and this is not the fault of the gimbal in my opinion. It is just because we were only two playing soccer. So overall, it was really good in this sense. So overall, I really like this smart gimbal. What I like mostly about it is that it works very good, and it is very well built, and also it is not heavy. Now what I like less about it is that if you want to get it with one of the packages, even with the package only with the remote control, it becomes a little bit expensive. You can always offset the price of this gimbal with my coupon code in the description below. And also what I don't like about it is that when you put it in follow me mode, it is very sensitive for hand gestures. So for instance, if you're talking and moving your hands, it might interpret it as stopping the recording. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.